it's so boring. I don't just have this thing squishy. Look at that. But it's colorful. I like it. And this thing, yeah, it's glow in the dark. Oh, wait. Can I trade with you? Okay. Why are you so excited? What are you gonna trade? I'm gonna trade this one. It's a glow in the dark. You add more. Fine. And this glow in the dark too. Accept. What are you gonna trade? I'm gonna trade this one. But I don't want this. That. Let's go. Wow, I like this. Okay, because I don't want this cheese. I spend a lot of money here. Oh, here. Thank you so much. This where? Oh, ha, loser. Hey, give me my stuff. Wait for me. Ang nice squishy na gawa ko.
Pina-download yung
Kasi
app.
ang bilis.
Pero hindi ako papasok dun sa loob ng mismo ng app. Nasa labas lang siya. Nasa labas lang. Sabi ko, ha? Ano ba yun?
Yan o.
Hindi ibig sabihin.
Tapos ganito yung
Oo. Kasi nung hinihingihan ako ng account number sa sabi ko, paano malalaman yung account number?
I-reflect siya across both. Hello Pag-ibig and Hello Money are distinct with separate account numbers. Kaya pala, ito pa nag-send pa kayo nag-11 plus yun, nag-send pa ako kasi nga, magkaiba yung account niya. Iba yung account number ko sa Hello Pag-ibig, yung blue na naka-register sa Pag-ibig. Sa Pag-ibig, sa Pag-ibig nakalagay doon credited na doon sa account number. Oo, dahil tarantang tao, hindi talaga ako makatransact kasi sabi ko, puto mo sa iba na credit yung 11K. Hindi ko kahit dati sa ito, diba dito